Meaning of gaily.
gaily,
Gaily.
gaily,
Gaily. Gaily is an adverb that means to do something in a cheerful or light-hearted manner, with a sense of joy and happiness. It is often used to describe an action that is done with enthusiasm or without worry or care. When someone does something gaily, they do it with a positive attitude and a smile on their face. This word can also be used to describe something that is bright and colorful, such as a gaily decorated room or a gaily dressed person. Overall, gaily connotes a sense of joy and delight.